is no ordinary prince, anak. For the heaven and earth adore him. Ang stars ay nag-glorify sa kanya, at ang brightest star shines its light at the very ground that is on. Follow that star, and you will find your prince.
Oh, it sounds so romantic. Siya na nga po ang prince na hinahanap ko. Thank you.
Well now, wasn't that easy? Itong mga batang ito talaga, it's almost Christmas! At puro sarili pa nila, kanilang mga iniisip. Yung isa gusto maging mayaman, yung isa gusto maging maganda. Everyone wants to get what they want. Ang Pasko is not just about getting. Ito ay pagbibigay din. Teka, may isa pa! At itong batang ito, he wants to live forever. Puntahan natin!